Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from EWU Body Cam, and the title of the video is Woman Saves Baby After Making Horrifying Discovery. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually are talking about here.
Bag, yo. What kind of shit is going on out here?
And she was sitting outside, it was moving. We didn't know what it was.
Where on earth did you find this child?
Right in the back of the house over here.
That's what
Yeah. It's right here. She was really nasty, pissy.
I don't know how long it's been since
she had
Still got stuff on her head, too.
Yeah,
been out
yeah.
here
It's all right.
at least 2 days.
We opened the bag, I seen that head, so I ran over there, I'm like, a baby was in there?
It's one of the most horrendous crimes that the state of New York has ever encountered. An 8-month-old baby is found inside of a plastic grocery bag behind a house in an Elmira neighborhood. Although police would be shocked to learn that she has miraculously survived in this never-before-seen
Wait. What he said? Elmira? What? New York? Elmira. That's upstate. Okay, that's all about this. I'm like, wait, what? 8-month-old baby found in a bat? Oh, that's crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you. Elmira, yeah, okay. You know the AI voices, they be messing up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So, forgive the AI, okay? Let's get back to it.
I seen that head, so I ran over there, I'm like, a baby was in there?
It's one of the most horrendous crimes that the state of New York has ever encountered. An 8-month-old baby is found inside of a plastic grocery bag behind a house in an Elmira neighborhood. Although police would be shocked to learn that she has miraculously survived. In this never-before-seen footage, authorities will discover the unimaginable horror that was forced upon the innocent child, along with the sadistic monster who would commit the unthinkable. The summer heat is beginning to creep in on August 8, 2017, when Elmira authorities respond to the horrifying 911 call. A baby has been found all alone.
A baby in a bag, yo. What kind of shit is going on out here?
We found her over here, excuse me.
Yeah?
If you could do me a favor, just don't touch that bag.
Can I grab the towel?
Yeah. Fine. The baby breathing? Yeah.
Yeah, she's very hungry, though.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I have children of my own.
No. Thank you for your help. Thank you.
I know. Hold on. She's hungry and she's pale.
Very pale.
Yeah, you tell me. I got her eyes to open or closed.
You did. They were closed.
Yeah, and I got them open.
Thank you.
Honey, I don't have kids of my own. Just sorry, but it's...
That's it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You guys did the right thing. Thank you.
You guys saved that kid's life.
Yes, we did.
I'm shaking. I never had seen this before in my life. A precious baby.
Yeah,
Look
absolutely.
what we found.
So when did this all just happen? Just now, huh?
Just now.
Just not even like 15,
We didn't know what it
10
was. We
minutes
didn't
ago.
visit that dog.
Would you be able to show me exactly where you
Yes.
found the baby?
Yeah.
The woman leads the officer outside, where she discloses a most heartbreaking revelation.
Ooh, no, right over there.
Right here?
Right? Maybe if I could... Okay, see it?
Yeah.
That's just how fully been advised of that.
Right here.
I'm talking about early.
You can smell the in the past. You smell it?
Yeah.
It's right here.
It was told
She's right here.
extra.
Right here in this area.
She was really nasty, pissy.
It's been since
She had...
Still got stuff on her head, too.
Yeah,
It's all right.
At least
Yo,
2 days.
let me talk with the officer.
Go back to
All right.
I don't want nobody thinking we stole a child and then I just found it.
No.
You did the right thing.
I
Heard it for 2 days.
Amen, baby. How you heard it?
She know they might twist the story. You hear me? Oh, you stole the child. No, I'm playing, but man, that's so crazy. And the baby's white. Dang, like what? Like what is really going on here, man? Oh man, I hope they find who did this throughout the body cam footage, man. This is crazy though.
For 2 days in
I
the
didn't hear the
bag.
baby at all.
No, I didn't hear it in the bag. I just heard it cry. I live around the corner.
See, that baby be dead by now. It was in the bag for 2 days.
The ambulance gonna find it. The ambulance gonna figure it out.
That's crazy. Somebody want to do that.
That's scary, man.
Poison ivy or
Something right her face, right?
Yeah, right. Or one eye looks
Yeah,
so
like
shouldn't
did
her
she
whole eye.
get hit or something, or what?
It
Looked almost like a rash, and the rash swelled up the eye.
When she was working on her, I could see it all down her chest.
So you actually had heard this noise for about 2 days' time?
Many of the residents believed the crying sounds to be that of a baby inside of someone's home, while others thought it to be an animal. However, the horrific truth is that someone had callously abandoned the child outside. But investigators aren't too far off of the monster's trail, where every twisted secret will inevitably come to light.
And it's only in the morning you could hear it. And I didn't think nothing of it because you hear babies cry all the time.
Okay. Was there something that stuck out about this?
It just the same kind of cry at the same time for 2 mornings in a row. So
Two mornings in a row? Yesterday morning and then this morning?
No, yesterday morning. Well, today would be the 3rd day.
It's an utter miracle that the child has survived after being abandoned for 3 days. Clearly, she would have suffered a different fate had she not been rescued when she was.
So you were up on the porch?
Yeah, we was right there. I was with them.
Okay.
Watching. They like, oh, you see that over there? I'm like, I'm thinking it's just a bag of garbage. They said it's moving. I'm like, it's not moving. They thought it was a dog.
He opened the bag. I seen that head, so I ran over there. I'm like, a baby was in there?
I see the
You
leg.
seen the leg?
The baby is quickly rushed to the hospital. It's a heartbreaking scene to watch as medical staff do everything in their power to help the little girl who is fighting for her very life.
No fight. No fight at all. She's just laying there. Asleep or I don't know.
Bright red.
Yeah, one there looks like it's swollen shut. Or, here, he says he's talked to a guy down there that said he was hearing
Off and on. The
Off
baby
and on.
crying for 2 days. So she very well could have been out there for that long. I mean, I don't know.
Fix told it, she was covered with bugs,
Yeah.
feces, and
Well, that's what scared me.
feces and everything else. So,
Back at the house, officers continue talking to the horrified residents of the neighborhood, hoping to uncover any bits of information as to who might have committed such an evil crime. Soon, they're met with a shocking discovery.
We was staying there. Her name is Harriet. She just had a baby a few months ago. I think it was like 4 or 5 months ago. I'm not really sure.
Harriet?
Yeah, her name is Harriet.
You know her last name?
Authorities now have somewhat of a lead. However, there isn't too much to go on yet, but that will quickly change when someone else makes their way onto the scene.
Get home.
Did they tell you why? They want you to
My
come?
daughter told me that they found a little girl in the backyard. And so I said, "Baby, she okay?"
Yes. We need to find out who the baby is, who the parents are.
This is Shirley, the owner of the house where the baby was heartlessly abandoned. She tells investigators that her daughter, Jody Forrest, currently lives in the home. However, Shirley also explains that a Daniel Forrest also resided in the house at one point, although it's unclear if he and Jody are separated or divorced. Nonetheless, this will go on to play a large role in tracking down the sadistic culprit. With the little information they have, police eventually discover their lead suspect to be 17-year-old Harriet Hoyt. The teenager is from Sayre, Pennsylvania, but investigators are now wondering if she may have taken a trip to Elmira, New York, with the most sinister agenda in mind.
Malnourished?
Yeah, she's in
Dehydrated?
pound in a bottle of infant right now, but they're cleaning maggots out of her eyes still.
Still.
They found him. Because
Yeah.
he did this.
Yeah, that's the truth.
Oh, you guys gonna get him.
Yeah, everybody feels that way. This ain't right. Yeah.
You ride the lightning on this one.
Yeah.
You can't say I'd rather know. You can put on.
You know, when things like this go on, man, the whole community gathers together, man, because this is sad. And, with babies, babies can't fend for themselves. You know what I'm saying? So a child has to rely on its parent. You know what I mean? And we have people having kids out here that just shouldn't be able to have kids. You know what I'm saying? You shouldn't be a parent. If you can't handle it, don't do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, clearly, there's going to be things that happen that, a kid is going to make the mom mad or whatever the case may be, or make the dad mad, but that's just kids. You can't leave them in a bag and stuff like, come on, man. This is absolutely ridiculous, and this is sickening.
Boys put in the supermarket, took it to the police station. You put away back there in there. You wanted that baby to die.
At the hospital, medical staff continue attending to the child's wounds. However, they're still in absolute shock due to the incomprehensible situation at hand. But the suspect can only stay hidden for so long, and the truth is just moments away.
And was this a
Plastic garbage bag, paper bag.
That's what I was told. It was a plastic garbage
I mean,
bag.
obviously it wasn't closed, otherwise she wouldn't be here. What kind of monster would do this?
During this time, an officer makes a baffling discovery when he locates Harriet's Facebook account. On it is a shocking and disturbing post.
That's not, was that her?
But it's 12:30 a.m. That's yesterday, just after midnight.
Right. So she could have just posted it on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Puts a smile on his face.
Yeah, there you go. Try Sabrina.
In a horrific revelation, authorities learned that Harriet had supposedly posted a picture of her own child just 1 day prior. That child would turn out to be 8-month-old Sabrina Hoyt, the baby who was seemingly left for dead. However, what makes this all the more disturbing is the fact that Harriet uploaded the picture while Sabrina was inside of a plastic bag, all alone, nowhere near her mother. It seems like the teenager may have done this in an attempt to throw off suspicion, but it only goes to show her cruel and callous nature. Eventually, authorities were able to track down the 17-year-old mother, who quickly made a horrifying confession. She told investigators that she'd asked her stepmother to drive her and Sabrina from Sayre, Pennsylvania to Elmira, New York, in order to visit Jody on August 5, 2017. She further states that she informed her stepmother that Jody had reportedly left the back door open for Harriet and Sabrina to enter the home. However, this is a bold-faced lie. Once the teenager and her daughter were at the house, they sat on the back porch before Harriet made a phone call to her friend, Alexis Shadow, but the conversation supposedly turned volatile, in which Harriet became upset. In her police statement, she confessed, "I was already stressed and depressed prior to this, and this argument did not help me. I think I snapped and I didn't want to do anything physically to harm Sabrina because of my anger. I decided that I needed some time away from Sabrina, so I decided to walk away from her. Before I left, I decided that I wanted for Sabrina to be safe, so I placed her into a garbage bag so she wouldn't get cold or rained on. I then took the bag with Sabrina in it."
Hold on. You put her in a bag so she wouldn't get cold or rain on? Honestly, does that make sense? Really? Really? Come on, man. 17 years old, man. You what are you doing? What are you doing? You're just too young, you're too immature, and you can't handle the pressures of having a child. You know, pressures bust pipes. And her pipes were busted, okay? Them things were busted out of control, you feel me? But man, hopefully she need at least 20 years. I ain't gonna lie to you. If I'm the judge, you getting at least a 20 piece. 17, yeah, we're gonna catch you on the flip side. We're gonna catch you when you 37. You know what I'm saying? We giving you a 20 piece on the house just because. You put this kid out there, innocent baby. Nah, you getting a 20 piece. What y'all think she should get?
And placed it over near some bushes in the backyard area. I stayed with Jody throughout the weekend, and I never told anyone what I did to Sabrina. Apparently, she left Sabrina between the hours of 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. In addition, Harriet states that she informed people that Sabrina's father was taking care of the child for a couple of days. But the heartbreaking truth remains that Harriet heartlessly abandoned her child. The 17-year-old mother was taken into custody and charged with attempted murder in the second degree. Thankfully, Sabrina would make it out alive of the unthinkable horror. In December of 2017, Harriet pleaded guilty to attempted murder in the second degree and was later sentenced in February 2018 to 9 years in prison, in addition to 5 years of post-release supervision.
9 years? That's it? That's all she gets is 9 years? Did you see what she did to her baby? And you only get 9 years? Now, I know people don't like, you sexist, this and that, blah, blah, blah. But this is, to me, I think this is a clear sign of female privilege, okay? I'm telling you, if this was a guy, imagine a guy did this. He not getting a 9-piece, bruh. He is not getting a 9-piece. You think a guy is going to get a 9-piece? No. That guy is going to get at least 35 years. You hear me? Come on, man. She needs at least 20. 9? Look, she probably going to do half. So she might do like 5, 4.5, 5. She might do 5. get out. I mean, you got parole. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh man, this is ridiculous. What about the justice for the baby? Because this is not right. Attempted murder, you getting a 9-piece? Come on, man.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.